it's Cassandra with Pecan Porch Boutique, and today I'm going to be giving this sweet little jewelry chest a makeover with some of my favorite DIY products. I've cleaned my piece really good, and now I'm going to give it a once-over using my 220 grit sandpaper. It's kind of like exfoliation for furniture. Takes off the shiny and gives the paint something to stick to. My choice of color, DIY's White Swan. Y'all, I grew up in a small town, Central Texas. I'm a country kid. Outdoors was our playground, y'all. We enjoyed outdoors. We explored, we invented, we created. I mean, we just enjoyed being outside. Well, have y'all ever had, something that just made whatever it was you were working on just a little bit better? Made something good just a little bit gooder? Is that a word? Gooder? I don't know. Anyway. Well, let me tell y'all, one of the things that I enjoyed as a kid was making mud cakes. Making mud cakes. Mud cakes, a little water, a little dirt, stir it up, sit it in the sun and let it harden. Bam! You had a mud cake or a mud pie, whichever you wanted to call it. But I wasn't just settling for the simple little old mud pie, mud cake. No, child. I wanted to kick mine up a notch. So guess what? Add a few china berries from the china berry tree. Bam! Now you got a nut mud cake or a nut mud pie, whichever. Oh, and don't forget to add a few leaves for some garnishment. Now y'all, you ain't got just a simple little old mud pie. No ma'am, you got a mud pie. Okay? So those things made my mud pie, which was already good, just a little bit better. Well, guess what, y'all? The same thing with DIY patinas. That's why I love them. I love the patinas. So guess what? I'm gonna be using Dark and Decrepit, one of my favorites. And I'm gonna add a little pennies from heaven, y'all. So they just gonna make this good thing, which is the DIY paint, just a little bit better. We're gonna kick it up a notch. This is the playground for grown folks. The patinas need just a little stirring before each use, but they go on fabulously. Dark and Decrepit is one of my very favorites. It can be used as a stain, it can be used as a glaze, and guess what? No VOCs and no smell. And it dries really quickly. So hopefully through this video, you guys have learned a little bit about me. First of all, that I still enjoy the outdoors. And secondly, that I enjoy creating. Not so much mud cakes anymore, but I do still enjoy creating. And so using the DIY products is just kind of the garnishment to anything that I'm working on. And DIY's Dark and Decrepit is one of my very favorite patinas to use because it's so versatile. I don't have a separate studio space in which I work. Most of the time I'm working right out of my dining room. With the Dark and Decrepit, I can use it as a stain, I can use it as a glaze, I can use it over decoupage, I can use it to age my pieces, all while knowing that it's eco-friendly and that it won't smell up my house for the next 3 days. I like that. So for all you guys out there who've never tried these products, I hope you'll give them a try. And I appreciate you guys watching my video. And as I say on the porch, until we see each other again, don't forget to bud, bloom, and be unique. Bye, you guys.